Welcome back to another Facebook video tutorial. In this video, we'll go over how to change your Facebook page name. Start by launching your Facebook app. So go to your profile and you want to make sure you are currently on the Facebook page. If not, you can change the profile. Now scroll down and tap on settings and privacy. Tap on settings again. And now we need to look for page setup. That's actually where Facebook has hidden this setting. So as you can see, here is the page setup. Tap on it, you are good to go. So view name, leave it some time to load. Yep. And yes, you can change the name, so anything you want to. But I believe this video has been helpful to you. So if that's the case, please like the video and also subscribe to this channel. That supports me a lot. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.